Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do the Chloe's Clematis flower. Haven't used this one very much, but that's the flower we're going to do today. It's quite pretty, sticky up one. So I've done 3 layers. You can do as many layers as you like, but that's what it looks like with 3. And I've just done it on the large one. So we're just going to use your tweezers. Oh, let me tell you, this is done with Paper Mania black embossing, and it's the gloss finish, so it's quite a nice shiny one. Don't know if you can see that. And we're going to be using Silver Gilt Sparklicious today, which is, it's beautiful, beautiful glitter, that one. So we go in, and you're just going to go in with your tweezers, pointy tweezers, and we're just going to lift it up like that. That's all we're going to do. Tweezers in, thumb and forefinger either side, push it up, and that is all we're doing on this one. And then I'll show you how to do the middle, and that will make it stand up. So you get your so you need your large ball tool, your little bit of, I could do the new bit, but your wax paper, and literally you're going to go like that, and that will stand up. Okay, be quite firm with it, but not too hard that you're going to damage it or anything. So do that on all of them. I'm going to go back and do that bit more. Okay, I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll show you the middles again. Okay, so large ball tool. Let's make it stick up. Okay, that's that. And then we're just going to glitter. We're just going to put blobs on them, on the end of the stamen, with the art glitter. Quite large blobs, because they're quite large black underneath. There. Husband's on guard, there's a cat on the prowl. I think one of them wants comfort because he's just woken up after being asleep all day. Right. It's quite chunky glitter, the Silver Gilt. It's got tiny little bits of yellow and purple in there as well. I don't know if you can see that. I think it'd go quite nice with the amethyst, sort of lilac-y paper that Chloe's got. think it's amethyst. Is it amethyst? Yeah, it is amethyst. Just coat these all in the glitter and give them a proper shake out in a minute. Right. I didn't use my tweezers for these ones, but no, worked alright. Now that's just flicked. I think that would have been stuck. It's not wet, it's from a previous one. Right, just give it a proper little flick. Yeah. And we're going to use a large pearl. And just turn that round. That well. Right, I'm going to leave the lid off of that one, but I'm going to put the pin back in there. And now we're going to layer it up. And we'll do the pearl after. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the glitter out of the middle. Just helps it stick a little bit. So, quite a big bit. Offset it again. This one's quite good for offsetting. Just manoeuvre it round a little bit. I'm going to go in with medium. Just move it round. And give it a proper good push. And then again. Offset it. And straight down. Medium. Give a push. Hold the petals if you want to in the position because it will move. It's going to look a little bit different to mine that I did earlier for everybody to see. Just looks slightly different. More sticky up, I think. But as I say on previous ones, every time I do a card or a flower, it never turns out exactly the same. So just put that to one side and bring back in this. I'm going to put the glitter, the silicone in the middle so that we've got somewhere to put it, and then I can put this out of the way. So I'm going to go with, I'm going to try, I think it's going to be way too big, yeah. So back to the normal tweezers and Cosmic Shimmer. It's basically the same thing I do for every flower, unless I'm putting just a plain pearl in, but this is how I always glitter. And just move it round. That's time to move. Just push it down a little bit. See a jump of fluff. Right. Just going to move it round the sides of the nozzle on the glue pot. Don't worry if it's not all covered, because you can always go back in afterwards. Even after you've done the glitter, you can still go back in after. Just put a little bit of glue on the top and then just re-glitter it. Okay. So I'm not going to roll this one round too much, I'm just going to go straight in, come straight out. It's not exactly round. And go back. in. There. I think that was the easiest one that I've done so far for getting it off. Just move it round, and I can see the little bead hole there. I'm just going to get that out, and you can see there's bits of glitter all coming off it. So what I will just give it a little move round, and it just flattens it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it once I've done. I can't find the bead hole. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's right on the other side. Oh, there it is. Is that it? No, it's not it. I've just moved all the glitter. Right, let's just move it around. Right, there's the bead hole. Right, move it round. Can you see the bead hole? There. That looks a lot rounder. And there's a couple of bits that are sticky up, so I'm just going to push them. So that's a lot. And the other end is sealed up. So that's a lot rounder. So I'm literally just going to go in from the side, manoeuvre it. Push it down. And that little bit there, don't like that bit, put that back in the pot. That's it. Right, let's stick that back on there, put that back in there. So that is one version of the Clematis flower. There is lots of different ways that you can do it. I bent the flowers inwards, the petals rather. I bent the petals inwards. You can bend them outwards, the way that I did on the other flower earlier. So there's loads of different ways that you can do it. But that one is quite a shiny, that one. Right, the next one, I haven't prepared that one yet, but I'm going to be doing the, the winter flower. So it's going to be that one, and it's going to be possibly on cream with gold. I don't know yet. But thank you for watching this one, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.